Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to convert NFA to DFA, means how to construct DFA from NFA. Very simple procedure is there. So by using that procedure, we can easily convert NFA to DFA, any given NFA to DFA. This is NFA because on A, there are two transitions. On A, there are two transitions. One is from Q0, that too from Q0 on A. There are two outputs. One is Q0, another one is Q1. That too, there is no transition on A from Q1, and there are no transitions on A and B from Q2. So because in NFA there is no need to construct the complete diagram, but in DFA there must be all the transitions from each and every state on each and every symbol. Okay, so this is NFA. Then I am going to show you how to convert this NFA into DFA. Very simple. What is initial state? Here in this case, initial state is Q0. Now start constructing transition diagram. So in this transition diagram, start initial state of NFA. Here also we need to start with initial state of NFA in transition diagram, transition table. Okay, na? So what is the initial state of NFA? Initial state of NFA is Q0. Okay, now the two symbols are A is one symbol and B is another symbol. Now start with Q0 because Q0 is the initial state. Here also we need to take initial state as Q0 in DFA. Q0 is initial state. Okay, now so Q0. Now apply transitions. What is Q0 on A? Here we get two states. Q0 on A is Q0 as well as Q1. We get two states now. Now take those two states as single state by representing in this brace. Q0 on A is Q0 and Q1 or no need to separate. No need to separate. Okay, na Q0 Q1 directly write Q0 on Q1 is Q0 and Q1. This is one state. Here we are treating this particular combination as single state in DFA. So Q0 on A is Q0 as well as Q1. We got two states, but in DFA we are considering those two states as single state. Now on B, calculate Q0 on B. Q0 on B is Q0. Q0 on B is Q0 only. Okay, na? Q0 on B is Q0. Okay. Either you represent like this or single state or openly you can write. Now, after getting first row, what will we do is, if we get new states other than Q0, if we get new states, then apply transitions on those new states. Here we got two states now. One is Q0. Anyway, Q0 has transitions, and new state is Q0 Q1. Now apply transition on Q0 as well as Q1. So Q0 Q1 transition we need to calculate on from A and B. Q0 Q1. Whenever you get a new state, immediately apply A and B on those new states. Here we got only one new state, that is Q0 Q1. Then what will we do is apply symbol A separately on Q0 Q1. After getting the result, just simply combine those results. What is Q0 on A? Q0, delta of Q0 on A. What is Q0 on A? Either we represent like this or we can represent in delta form. So delta of Q0 comma A, because we are applying that symbol A for both the states. Union, because we need to combine the results. Delta of Q1 on A. Delta of Q0 on A as well as delta of Q1 on A. Okay, na? So what is delta of Q0 on A? Again same Q0 Q1 we get. Delta of Q0 on A is Q0 Q1. This is Q0 Q1. This is Q0 Q1. Here we take set format. But after combining, if we get the results, then that result is treated as single state. What is Q1 on 1? Q1 on A is no state. Then take 5. Q1 on A is 5. Then simply take Q1 on A is 5. Okay, na? Q1 on A is 5. Then what is the union of Q naught Q1 union phi? Again Q naught Q1. Again Q naught, we get Q naught Q1 on A is Q naught Q1. Okay na? Then apply symbol B. Q naught Q1 on B. What is Q naught on B? Q naught, delta of Q naught on B is Q naught, and delta of Q1 on B is Q2. Then Q naught Q2 we get. Then combine those two states. Q naught Q2. Actually Q2 is acceptance state. Actually Q2 is acceptance state in NFA. Then wherever Q2 is appearing in states combination, make it as acceptance state. Then which is new state now? Anyway, Q0 Q1 has transitions now. Again we got Q0 Q1, but new state we got is Q0 Q2. Again apply transitions on new states. So repeat this procedure until there is no new state appearing. There is no new state appearing, means all the states are repeating that to every state as its transition on A and B. Now we got only one state, that is Q0 Q2. Again apply Q0 Q2 on A. What is Q0 Q2 on A? What is Q0 on A? Q0 on A is Q0 Q1 union Q2 on A phi. Then we get Q0 Q1 again. Again we get Q0 Q1. Then make it a single state. Make it as single state Q0 Q1. Again apply on B. Again on B apply B on Q0 Q2. What is Q0 on B? Q0. Q0 on B is Q0. Q0 on B is Q0. What is Q2 on B? There is no transition from Q2 on A and B. Then we got Q0. Again verify, is there any new state appearing? Any new state appearing in results? Any new state appearing in results? Yes, immediately verify. We got Q0 Q1. Anyway, Q0 Q1 has transitions. Q0 Q1 has transition. Q0 we got transition. So there is no new state appearing. Only repetitions are happening. Only repetitions are there. Every state has its transitions at left side. So Q0 Q1 has transitions, Q0 has transition, Q0 Q2 has transition. But while applying transitions on Q0 Q2, again we got Q0 Q1 and Q0. So Q0 has transition, Q0 Q1 is also having transitions. So there are no new states in this table. So what we did now, just we started transition table construction from initial state of NFA. So what is the initial state of NFA? Q0. So start with Q0. Then what is acceptance state? Q0 Q2 is the acceptance state because Q2 is there. Even Q0 Q2 is there. Even Q0 Q1 Q2 is there another state. Then we must make Q0 Q1 Q2 also acceptance state. But no, we didn't get here. But if Q1 Q2 is also there in this table, because Q2 is acceptance state, then we are supposed to make that state also acceptance state in DFA. Wherever Qt is appearing in these states, we must make that state as acceptance state. Okay. So any diagram from any NFA, we must construct a DFA by starting initial state of Q0. So sorry, initial state of NFA. So start with initial state of NFA, apply transitions on symbols. If of course here we have AB, in some transition tables, some NFAs we may get zeros and ones. Then apply zeros and ones transitions from Q0. If you get new states, take new state here and apply transitions. So repeat this procedure. For all the new states, we are supposed to apply A and B symbols for calculating transitions. After getting transition table without any new state, then stop constructing transition table now. That transition table is final. That transition table is treated as DFA transition table. Now what we do is construct DFA transition diagram. What is DFA transition diagram now? Take these three states and construct DFA. So what is the first state? Q0 is the first state. Now take Q0 is the first state. Now Q0 is initial state here also. Q0 is initial state here also. Then represent it as, okay na? Then next state is Q0 Q1, or you can also Q0. Next state is Q0 Q1. Okay na? Next state is Q0 Q1. Q0 Q1. This is single state. or you can rename as Q0 as A, Q1, Q2 as Q0, Q2 as B, as you wish. Either you directly take this, or you can rename it as capital A. You can rename it as capital A. You can rename it as capital B. Okay, now you can rename it as capital C and take ABC here. As you wish, you can construct any way. Okay, now. And the last state and acceptance state is Q0. Acceptance state is Q0, Q2, because Q2 is there in this combination. Then make this as acceptance state. Make this as acceptance state. How acceptance state appears? With double circle. Acceptance state will appear with double circle. So enclose Q0, Q2 within double circle. Okay, na? Now convert this table into transition diagram. What is Q0 on A? Q0 on A is Q0 Q1. Where is Q0 Q1? This is Q0 Q1. So Q0 on A is Q0 Q1. What is Q0 on B? Q0 on B is Q0. Then take self loop here and represent it as B transition. Then Q0 Q1 on A is Q0 Q1. Q0 Q1 on A is Q0 Q1. Then represent it like this. Q0 Q1 on A is Q0 Q1. What is Q0 Q1 on B? Q0 Q1 on B is Q0 Q2. Q0 Q1 on B is Q0 Q2. What is Q0 Q2 on A? Q0 Q2 on A is Q0 Q1. Q0 Q2 on A is Q0 Q1, like this. Okay, na? What is Q0 Q2 on B? Q0. Q0 Q2 on B is Q0, like this. Connect the symbols, the connections. Okay, now this is B transition. Now verify whether each and every state has transitions on all the symbols or not. Yes, Q0 has A and B transition, Q0 Q1 has A and B transition, Q0 Q2 is also having A and B transition. So this diagram is ending with AB, ending with AB. Here also we get ending with AB. Okay, na? Even you verify or you construct ending with AB transition diagram for DFA or construct DFA ending with AB, we get this diagram only. Okay, na? So in this way we construct. Even you take any diagram, any NFA diagram, first what will we do is take the initial state of NFA as initial state of DFA and apply all the symbols. Whatever the states, output states you get, identify which are new states. Here we got Q0 one state, Q0 Q1 is one state. So this is new state because we get more than one state as result from state to state on any symbol, but make that particular combination as single state. We got Q0 on A is Q0 Q1, make it as single state, but apply transitions on that single state. So Q0 Q1 on A, but apply independently. Delta of Q0 on A, delta of Q1 on A, and combine the states, resultant states, and treat it as single state. Q0 Q1 on B. So delta of Q0 on B, delta of Q1 on B. We get Q0 and Q2. So make it as single state. Then we got a new state Q0 Q2. Again apply transition on Q0 Q2. But this is acceptance state because Q2 is there. In NFA Q2 is acceptance. Here also Q0 Q2 combination Q2 is there. Make it as acceptance state. Again apply input symbols A and B. Q0 Q2 on A is Q0 Q1. Q0 Q2 on A is Q0 Q1 because there is no input symbol A on Q2. Okay, na? Only Q0 Q1 we get. Q0 Q2 on B, there is no transition from B on A. So Q0 Q2 on B is only Q0. Again verify whether any new state appearing in this diagram or not. Any new state appearing in this transition table or not. There is no new state appearing because all are repeated. Q0 Q1 is repeated here, Q0 is repeated. So all the states have transitions. Then after stopping transition table construction, directly convert this transition table into transition diagram. So take initial state Q0 and next state Q0 Q1 and next state Q0 Q2. Or I already told you, instead of Q0 you can take A, or instead of Q0 Q1 you can take B, renaming. Instead of Q0 Q2 you can take C. Inside this you can take C. Like this also you can construct, but the same meaning, same string, same language we get. Okay, na? So this transition diagram is NFA transition diagram ending with AB. Here also this diagram is DFA ending with AB. So the same meaning, same language we get. So in this fashion or in this way, we can convert any NFA into the equivalent DFA. So thank you for watching my video.